After receiving your scooter, please check that all of the following items are included. Unfold the stem. Secure the folding latch. Remove the stem cover screws. Remove the stem cover. Install the handlebar onto the stem. Reinstall the stem cover. Reinstall the stem cover screws. Tighten the screw. Tighten the two handlebar clamp screws. Adjust the display to the desired angle, then tighten the two display mounting screws. Remove the screw from the headlight bracket mounting point. Install the headlight bracket onto the mounting point as shown in the video. Reinstall and tighten the two headlight bracket mounting screws. Connect the headlight power cable. Align the arrows on both connectors before plugging them together. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Remove the rear fender mounting screws. Install the rear fender. Install and tighten the 4 rear fender mounting screws. Charging port location. Folding and unfolding instructions. Press the safety lock and open the folding latch. Fold the stem downward. The scooter is now folded. Unfold the stem. Secure the folding latch. The scooter is now unfolded and ready for use.